How much does an electrician make in Syria? On average, an electrician in Syria earns around $910 a year. That average electrician pay drops to $800 after tax, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $67 a month. While that average electrician income is low across the country, electrician wages in big cities are noticeably higher. So working in Damascus brings home $950 after tax. Pay outside Damascus is well below that city level, but cheaper living costs often offset the gap. Experience adds up too, because entry-level pay sits well below the average and goes up quickly in your first years before it plateaus. On top of that, an average electrician pay level increases if you hold a university degree, which helps you move into higher roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Special skills also help you earn more, since complex technical work pays a lot better than basic tasks.